Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Monopoly Go. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So you can only use emojis when you visit another player's board by landing on a railroad tile, which enables a shutdown or a bank heist. So all you need to do is follow the steps right here. So after you finish the raid, the screen where you can tap the collect button will show up, and you will notice that your player portrait shows up on the screen. And there is a tiny yellow circle with a smiley face above it, and just select that button above your portrait and the emoji trail where all the emojis you have collected will show up. So just select whatever emoji you want to use, and after that, you should be able to use the emoji, and you've now left an emoji as a speech bubble for the player you just attacked to find. So that's it for this video. That's how you can use emojis on Monopoly Go. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.